Designing for the modern web means planning for modern mobile devices. If you keep in mind your users will be accessing your content on a wide range of screens, you'll make sure that everyone has the best experience possible.
Learning to develop on Android is much more than learning APIs or shortcuts. It's training your brain to think like a mobile developer. Android Fundamentals, developed with Google.
Before I worked here, I always wondered what it would be like to come to the Googleplex, meet up with a Googler, and have coffee with them and just chat about what they do, how they do it, and why they do it. And today we're going to do exactly that.
Like. My name is Colt McCandless, and it sounds like your app has a serious rendering performance problem. But don't worry, we can fix this by taking a look at how Android is working under the hood. Rendering performance is the most common performance issue that you run into while building an app. On the one hand, your designers want to produce the most usable, transcendent. Now, it would seem that you can't really have a discussion about compression without actually going back and talking about information theory itself. And when you're talking about information theory, you can't talk about it without introducing this guy, Cloud Shannon.
Hey everyone, what's up? It's Rob Dotson. In today's episode of Polycasts, I'm going to show you how to dynamically swap around all the content in your application using the core pages element. So check it out.
Hello and welcome to our very first episode of Route 85, our new show just for you iOS developers. Ooh, you smell that? Still got that new show smell. That's nice. Anyway, as you probably know, the Chrome web browser has been available on iOS devices for a few years now, but being able to select your default browser has not. So if you're...
I'm Rob Dotson, this is Lazy Web. Fire up your iPhones because Facebook has just announced that React Native is now open source. Demonstrated at this year's React Conf, React Native is a compiled target which lets you run your React app in native iOS. The project ships with a bundle of components and there's...
Hi, I'm Paul Lewis and I'm a developer advocate at Google.
And I'm Cameron Pittman. I make front-end web development courses here at Udacity. We're here to help you develop apps that run at a silky smooth 60 frames per second. And you may think it's just JavaScript that you need to worry about, but there's actually a lot more to it than that.